Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's I. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonates, don't force to fit. Take messages because everyone's situation is different from others. So let's see what are the messages for you, Taurus. Taurus, what's going on and what are the messages for you? Taurus. The Hangman with strength. It's your reading, Taurus. Completely the reading is about you more than your relationship. So let's see. You are spiritually awakening. Maybe sometimes you're feeling stuck thinking about this person or about this relationship a lot, but you are focusing on yourself. You are working on yourself. You want to stand by your power. Yes, strength card. You will achieve this power in future. And it's a mutual love between both of you. So let's see our reading recent past. Knight of Cups, Seven of Pentacles and King of Swords. I think they putting you in waiting mode always. Maybe they are in and out of your life, but you have strong emotions towards this person. Then you fed up with this waiting energy. Maybe they are not available to you when you need them emotionally. That's why you wanted to cut off this person from your life, or you don't want to talk to them because King of Swords energy, you are behaving like cold. You are giving them cold shouldering and you are very straightforward and you are very honest person. Then present Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Cups and Six of Swords. Yes, you decided to walk away because waiting or they are in and out of your life, there is no commitment. Then you started focusing on yourself. Nine of Pentacles, you focusing more on your abundance, creating money. Nine of Pentacles energy. So you want to independent and you don't want to be dependent on anyone either emotionally or financially. You made that decision. For some you already did it, for some definitely you are in the process of thinking about to walking away because Eight of Cups with Six of Swords. Maybe for some you will receive communication and future Four of Swords, Ace of Cups and Five of Swords. Definitely lot of disturbances between you and your person, misunderstandings, fightings, but you started loving yourself, self love. And Four of Swords, you are doing meditation to heal yourself or to heal from trauma. Four of Swords energy, yes, you are healing yourself. And Five of Swords, yes, still there are some disturbances between both of you, but you are giving priority to only yourself. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So Taurus, under the deck, Page of Wands. Yes, communication. For some, you both have age differences between both of you. So let's see their current feelings for you, Taurus. I think children's also involved in this connection for some, but this person is very romantic and this person have romantic feelings for you, but right now they are in waiting mode. Maybe they are waiting for the right time. They want to restore the balance in this connection. Temperance is here. Patience is the key. Yes, in this time maybe your person working through, I think, working towards their career and goals, but they are very very attracted towards you, and they are very passionate about you because Knight of Wands. And children's also involved in this connection, but they are realizing that you are their happiness, but they are taking it very slow. So let's see their intentions. Their intentions towards you, Taurus. Yeah, communication, apology. Maybe they hurt you in past, now they're coming back with an apology. Page of Cups. Yeah, again children's involved in this connection. Maybe they're immature. Yes, Eight of Pentacles. They are thinking about to work on this relationship. At the same time, they are feeling overburdened. Maybe their emotions are overflowing. And Seven of Cups. They're confused. Maybe they're scared for rejection. But text, definitely apology text is coming, and they're very very attracted to you, Taurus. Maybe in past they are in and out of your life. There is no commitment. That could be the issue between both of you. But now they really want to work on this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Empress, High Priestess. Maybe one person, the maybe pregnant in this connection, maybe mother having kids. So definitely they seeing you as their Empress and High Priestess. They started listening to their highest self and trusting their intuition and judgment with Ten of Pentacles. They are in the process of making decision regarding this relationship, Taurus. Yes, because they are confused right now. That's why maybe they're in the process of making decision. They want clarity. But totally you are taking your control back. Yeah, Two of Swords with Two of Cups, the Lovers, and Four of Pentacles. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Definitely you are at some crossroads, because for some they will come back, definitely for sure. And yeah, there is love, but maybe you decided to holding back because for some trust issues. For some, you are in some confusion state because Two of Swords energy, you don't know which decision you have to make. For some, you both could be soulmates. See, mutual card, Queen of Cups. Yes, you both have strong emotions for each other. But trust issues. See, Seven of Swords. Definitely commitment issues, trust issues. Maybe one person playing games with the other person. Definitely one person is sneaky in this connection. Yeah, commitment issues. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Maybe they're saying one thing and doing another things. Taurus, you are not trusting this person. You are taking your control back. I want to be with you. I want to be honest with you. A reunion is coming. I can't let you go. Marriage. Yeah, for some marriage issues, new love is coming. I want to express my love. Messages are, I want to be honest with you. Reunion is coming. I can't let you go. Marriage, new love is coming. And I want to express my love. So these are the messages. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Taurus. Have faith in your dreams. A time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo. So one person in this connection may be taking, not giving in return. This is the message for that person. A time to give rather than take, and have faith in your dreams. If you're dreaming about someone or something, First you have to faith. First you have to believe that will become true. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.